हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों हम लोग बात करेंगे ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स के बारे में। टॉपिक है मेजरमेंट एंड इंस्ट्रूमेशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 100। क्वेश्चन 100 कह रहा है कि फोर्स और टॉर्क नेसेसरी जस्ट टू इनिशिएट मोशन फ्रॉम रेस्ट। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? इज इज स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन। इज स्टैटिक friction. The right answer is static friction. Next question. Question 10101. The friction force or torque which oppose motion of the output. The right answer is dynamic Coulomb friction. Is Coulomb dynamic Coulomb friction. Next question. Question 102. Friction which varies as a function of the velocity of a mechanism and produce damping and affects the response of the output due to introduction of lag in motion. The right answer is viscous friction. Is viscous friction. Is viscous friction. Next question. Errors subject to irregular or chance causes and can be treated by statistical methods. The right answer is random error. Is random errors. The next question, question number 104, is that errors arising due to the use of an inadequate measurement methods or caused by an unfavorable environmental condition or by original calibration error or human by error. The right answer is that in systematic error. Is systematic error. The next question, question 105. The ratio of the standard deviation and square root of the number of observation. The right answer is that is SEOM, that is standard error of the mean. The next question, a way of removing unwanted interference and noise. The right answer is that is signal filtering. The next question 107 is that a semiconductor whose temperature coefficient at room temperature 25 degrees Celsius is about 4% degrees Celsius, normally negative and at least 10 times as sensitive as the platinum resistance thermometer. The right answer is thermositter. Is thermositter. The next question 108. Production of an EMF by light incident upon PN semiconductor junction. The right answer is that photovoltaic effect. Is photovoltaic effect. The next question 109. A crystalline or ceramic material in which a potential difference appears across opposite faces as a result of dimensional changes due to the application of mechanical force. The right answer is piezoelectric. Piezoelectric. The next question is 101. Conversion of the measured into a voltage ratio by a change in the position of a movable wiper on a resistance element across which excitation is applied. The right answer is potentiometric transduction. Is potentiometric transduction. The next question is question number 111. Conversion of a measurement into a change in resistance or conductivity by change in the magnitude of illumination incident upon the material. Is the right answer is photoconductive transduction. Is photoconductive transduction. The next question is conversion of the measurement into the change in voltage generated when a junction between dissimilar material is illuminated. The right answer is photovoltaic transaction is photovoltaic transaction. The next question 113 is that is conversion of the measurement into a change of emission of electrons due to change in the incidence of photons on a photocathode. The right answer is that is photo emissive. The next question 114 conversion of the measurement into a change in electrostatic charge or voltage generated by certain materials when the mechanically stressed. The right answer is that piezo is piezo electric transaction. The next question 115 is that conversion of the measurement into a change in resistance of a conductor or semiconductor by a change in the mechanical stress applied. The right answer is piezo voltaic transaction is piezo voltaic piezovoltaic transaction. The next question is 116 the change in the resistance of a conductor or semiconductor due to the application of magnetic field. The right answer is magnetoresistive effect. The next question is 117 the change in dimension of a ferromagnetic object when the object is placed in a magnetic field. The right answer is magneto is magneto magnetostruction. The next question the device which generates an output signal proportional to the applied force or weight. The right answer is load cell is load cell. The next question is 119 is that the quantity of matter in a body. The right answer is mass. Quantity of a matter in a body. Right answer is mass. The next question 120. The complex ratio of force to velocity during the simple harmonic motion. Right answer is that mechanical mechanical impedance is impedance mechanical impedance. The next question number 121 says that the generation of charges in certain crystals when unequally heated or cooled. The right answer इसका हो जाएगा 121 का is pyroelectric effect is pyroelectric effect. The next question 122 a theoretical slope for which the theoretical end points are 0% and 100% of both measurement and output. The right answer is terminal line is terminal line. The next question the generation of electric charge by friction between surfaces. The right answer is triboelectric effect. The next question is the part of the transducers in which the output information originates. The right answer is that is transduction element. The next question is the sensitivity of a transducers to a specified values of input applied in an axis orthogonal to the design sensitive axis. The right answer is that is transverse is transverse sensitivity. Next question is the step transfer process by which the transducer's calibration can be converted to the reference standard. The right answer is trace traceability is traceability. The next question 128, the axis along which the input measurement is applied or mounted. The right answer is sensitive axis. Sensitive axis. The next question 129, the sum of the static pressure and the impact pressure in a fluid flow. The right answer is stagnation pressure. Next question. Next question is stagnation pressure. Next question 130. A short, non-periodic or transient excitation of a mechanical system. The right answer is shock. The next question 131 is that a transducers or a device whose characteristics are precisely known relative to a primary standard. The right answer is reference standard. The next question is 132. The next question 132 is that is the unwanted component or on the output of a measuring device. The right answer is for question 132 is that is noise. Is question number 130. Question number 130. Question number 132 is that unwanted component of the output of measuring device. The right answer is noise. Next question. Question number 133 is that a vector unit that specify the time rate of change of an acceleration. The right answer is jerk. Right answer is jerk. The next question is 134. The specified minimum length of time over which the specified continuous or intermittent rating of a measuring device applies without changing its performance beyond specified tolerance. The right answer is operating life. Is operating life. The next question is 135. The specified minimum length of time over which a measuring device can be exposed to a specified storage condition without changing its performance beyond specified tolerance. The right answer is storage life. The next question is 136. The specified minimum of the full range excretions or specified partial range excretion over which a measuring device will operate as a specified without changing its performance beyond specified tolerance. The right answer is that is life cycling. The next question is 137. The DC resistance measured between the specified insulated portion of a measure measuring device when a specified DC voltage is applied. The right answer is for question 137 is that insulation is resistance. The next question 138. A measuring device whose output is a time integral function of the measurand. The right answer is integrating device. Is integrating device. The next question. The distortion in the output of a measuring device in the form of harmonic other than fundamental component. The right answer is that is harmonic is harmonic distortion. The next question. A motion whose instantaneous amplitude varies sinusoidally with the time. The right answer is harmonic motion. Thanks for watching and sharing.